Here is a viral app called Toki, Soulful AI friend. It's getting quite high in the charts in the entertainment category. Here you can just see it. So it's one of the alternatives to Character AI. So as you can see here in the ratings, it's actually higher than Character AI, which is quite an achievement because Character AI app these days, the rumors are, is getting almost the same usage as ChatGPT, original official ChatGPT app. A lot of teenagers really enjoy these AI chats with AI characters. So this is one of the competitors to Character AI or Chai app. So give it a try. So here is the
Yo, you new here.
here is the app, and what it does is just actively messages you. There are also a lot of audio messages, which is quite nice.
Oh, let's see, who do we have here?
And then you see that the character is messaging you first. You can change this. So in top left, you just have your settings, and then for example, if you don't want that, okay, so here that you can disable that AI proactively sends you a message. But then yeah, you can just swipe right, left, and then you
Next. Oh, hello.
will just see all these characters. That's how they are sent to you. Then you can see all the cards, which is also some interesting new feature. And then you see a lot of these
Are you a demon?
messages.
See? Hello, Michael. Hey, Clara. Hello, dear. Elizabeth. Hello, William. Hello?
So, like for example, if you wanted to message, you will see some suggestions. You can see some cards, and then you can also see some suggestions. Like that's how it works. Then you can see some reset. So if you want, you can reset conversations. Then there are some events. I don't know what that is. There are a lot of updates. Then you can just share your conversation. So yeah, no, share just the link to this character. And then you can just send it.
Hey. Hello. Can you please adopt me?
So yeah, something like that is quite fun. You can engage in all these chats. And yeah, so you can just follow it. You can see how many followers it has, how many connectors, meaning chats. And then there is this shop, which where you can just buy this kind of cards. I don't know whether this is like a blockchain or this is just like a card ID. So yeah, this is like additional monetization for them. And then you just have yeah, then for example, I just created my own bot. Like this is where you can have it here. You can see two connectors. So you can see that I chatted with these bots, but the one thing here is you can't remove your chat from here. So that's the one thing. Then also in the settings where you have here, you have FAQ. You can just read through some questions. So you can also, applicants need to submit to get verified if you want. There is a Toki Plus subscription. There is Toki Creator Certificate, so that's probably what it is. And then if you're not happy with the app or you just want to delete your personal data, you can just tap to delete account from here to deactivate your account. Then this is your profile. You can just add profile picture. There is a Discord chat. There is jams where you can just buy jams. There is some discount on jams if you upgrade to Toki Plus. You can get Toki Plus for $9.99 per month. if you wanna. Then yeah, you can just get these gems, and for these gems you can buy cards. So that's the idea, and then you just have your cards unopened. So that's what it is. That's the idea of the app. It's very easy to use, kind of very nicely designed. So definitely good app if you look into chat with all these AI characters. So yeah, that's what it is. So give it a try.